lady up ahead. Yeah, that's what I thought. They're fighting. And then she's gonna go break it up. Oh, they're fighting. There you go. Hey, do you see him, Jeff? Look at him. I can see him now. Oh my gosh, he's gorgeous. You know you're handsome. Oh my gosh. I never want to leave. Jeff did. Jeff just got a dog. Amy. I know, he's gorgeous. I hear his female over there. Yeah. Yep, that's a female. Yes. Gorgeous.